why you're giving the presentation is for the audience to be sold. Your presentation and that effort will be futile if you give the presentation and the audience is not sold. Right? Brand recognition, remember the logo. The color combination is another thing. And when you give the presentation, remember it has to be, what's the timing? Timings are everything. Timings. Attention span of a human being is like a goldfish. It's very less. Okay? Always give less and let the person ask for more rather than giving more and let other people fall asleep. It's very, very easy to make a presentation boring and all your investors are snoring. What's the point? Right? So keep your presentation crisp, clear. Your communication, what are the communications? Enunciation, pronunciation, fillers, all of that. Crisp and clear. And when you deliver the presentation, the attention of your viewers or the people present in your board or wherever you're giving the presentation, they should be very attentive. You know what I mean? So what not to do is giving a presentation lifelessly. Okay? So as an entrepreneur, as a family business heir, it is important that you learn to do presentation. You learn to give presentation. Not only in front of your board members, also in front of your investors, in front of people, in front of exhibition, wherever you can present your company. You are the brand of your company. You are the face of your company. You are the owner. So you have to learn to give presentation in a way, think of me as an investor, where I will say, within 20 minutes, I want to invest in that company. If you have not captured the attention of your people who are listening to your presentation within the first 10 minutes, you have lost it. 10 minutes is also too long. First 5 minutes. Attention span of any human being is very, very less. Okay? So they will not give you the chance. Within 10 minutes, try to capture it. If you have, then you have 20 more minutes to give the presentation. And don't make your presentation longer than 30 minutes, 35. And keep a 5 to 7 minutes Q&A. I would say 25 minutes. So timings, 25 minutes. So today, I'm going to time it. About 2 minutes a slide, 16 minutes, I'm giving you 25 minutes, that's a lot. But I need you to use what is body language. I'm not sold. Now either you can present your company like this, or you present your company with life, right? Because you're communicating not only with your communication, your facial expression, you're also communicating with your body language. That is very, very important. Okay? So today I'm going to speak from the beginning. First is the history of the company, the background. How it's all started. Remember we spoke about it, 2.5 to 3 minutes, for example. Make it interesting. Don't let anybody fall asleep. Then your elevator pitch. What you are. You're the younger generation. You have taken over the business. What is your vision? Then comes the vision. I'm giving you 7 minutes here. Your 5 years plan that we have spoken. This is the time you have to sell. If you're not selling, there is no point of giving the presentation. You have to be able to sell. And then you have your closings. The closings are as important. How do you close it? Then you can probably give your investors a chance to ask you questions. When you give your investors or anybody who are listening to your presentation to give a chance to communicate with you, it's a good thing. That means they're interested. Okay? It's a good thing that people are giving you. Either you can keep a Q&A at the last, or if I were you, I would just ask question impromptu, just to check if their attention span's there. Any questions, gentlemen? Any questions, gentlemen? my address, anything. So you know the attention span is going. Let the other people talk. Do not make your presentation boring. Especially international investors. Crisp, to the point. Okay? So these are the things we are going to listen to. Today we are talking about B2C. First is the history, how it's all started, your elevator pitch, vision, closings and Q&A. And then vision, you can include obviously B2C, that's your vision. Okay?